morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. What's today's topic? I'm going to give you a quick tip on something that you can make at home to gauge where the bottom is on a turning when you have it chucked. And here's a chuck right here. It's a supernova chuck. And if these jaws right here are sticking like into the wood and expanded, so instead of compression, I have an expansion, kind of a fit. And you want to know, well, where's the bottom? And let's say you're turning a bowl or something like that. You could buy a set of these. They're thickness measures. I'll try to leave you the link below if you're interested in them. I picked them up, haven't used them in a while. They're kind of grimy, I need to clean them up. The other thing that you can do, that I did, is at the hardware store, I picked up some aluminum rod. It cost $2. I cut it, I put a connector on it. See the connector here, and a little dowel rod. Now at that point, I make the two touch, and I put a black mark down here. When I set this into the turning like this, and I come in to the bowl, from the mouth of it anyway, like this, I can look back at that top part of it, and that will tell me between the black mark and where it is, it'll tell me how much farther I have to go before I hit bottom. So this is kind of handy. These are handy also. This was like $2, I mean, to make this. I didn't have this one at first. I didn't have it for quite a while. I was just trying to figure out how to make things on my own. So this actually comes in very handy. I was using it for a lot of the vessels I was doing when I did expansion chucking. If you do compression chucking, you don't have to worry about it that much. You can always use the laser tip on your hollowing rig, or I showed you how to make out of a 2x2 and a dowel rod in a previous video, a little depth gauge. So those are all things like I made myself. I used them, they work very effectively. So just a cost-saving tip if it helps you. If you have another suggestion, drop it in the link below. Otherwise, this is your quick tip for the week. Thank you, folks. I hope you click subscribe and keep following me. I'm the Home Handyman. You have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.